So you just had the knot in Los Angeles. The party's over, but where's the legal proof? If you're panicking right now because your marriage certificate never showed up in the mail, you are definitely not alone. We're going to get through all that confusion today. Let's look at the absolute fastest legal ways to verify your LA marriage records, and crucially, how to dodge those fake websites that just want to charge you unnecessary fees. Okay, here's a hard truth that catches a lot of people off guard. After the wedding, Los Angeles County doesn't just automatically mail you your certificate. Your officiant sends in the license, sure, but getting that actual physical proof, that's entirely on you. If you don't know the process, you could be looking at some pretty massive delays. And honestly, being unprepared opens you up to some serious risks. The internet is literally flooded with predatory, unofficial websites. They charge massive hidden fees for public records that you can get legally and cheaply all by yourself. Add in the headache of searching the wrong court systems, and you're just throwing time and money down the drain. Real quick, before we dive into the steps, remember this golden rule. Laws, processing fees, online systems, and privacy rules totally change over time. To protect yourself, always verify this info directly through official Los Angeles County and California government sources. Never just blindly rely on a third party. Right, so the most common mistake people make is actually confusing the documents themselves. Think of your marriage license as just your 90-day permission slip to get married. But the marriage certificate, that is your permanent legal proof that the event was actually recorded. The certificate is what you're really after here. Now, navigating LA bureaucracy basically means knowing exactly who holds what. The registrar, recorder, county clerk handles marriage records exclusively. If you go to them looking for divorce records or a legal name change, you're in the wrong place. Those are strictly handled by the LA Superior Court. Let's talk privacy laws, because they dictate exactly what's publicly accessible. Public marriages can be pulled by specific family members or legal reps, but confidential marriages, those are entirely sealed. Literally, only the married couple themselves or someone with a specific court order can access them. If you're looking to change your name on a passport or at the DMV, a basic informational copy just won't cut it. You need an authorized certified copy. Because this establishes your legal identity, LA County makes you prove exactly who you are, which usually means submitting a notarized, sworn statement to prevent fraud. When it's time to request your record, you've got 3 official channels: in person, by mail, or online. But listen closely here. VitalCheck is the only authorized online vendor for LA County. If you use any other unofficial site, it's practically a guarantee you're going to get hit with some crazy markups. No matter which of those official methods you pick, the cost is exactly $19 a copy. That's a state-regulated, non-refundable fee. Keep in mind, even if the county does the search and just issues a no-record statement, they still keep that fee for the labor. If you're in a pinch and absolutely need your document today, you have to book an appointment online and physically visit a branch, like the Norwalk headquarters. But heads up, same-day processing is strictly limited to marriages that happened from 1995 to the present day. So here's your game plan. First, figure out if your record is public or confidential. Next, choose your channel, whether that's mail, in-person, or VitalCheck. And finally, fill out that sworn statement and get it notarized if you're applying by mail or online. Just follow those exact steps and you'll save so much time. All right, are you ready to navigate these public records with confidence? Armed with this strategy, you can totally bypass the bureaucracy, skip the online scams, and get your vital records without all the headache. Get out there and get your documents sorted. Thanks for hanging out with us.